today is gonna be a new flash video on this studio gaming channel. If you ever watch this video, I have a gaming channel in the JD channel. If you ever watching this, just follow, comment, like, and subscribe on this video. Yes, today we're gonna do a special intro video. If you never watched this, comment, like, and follow me, because I've done these videos in a long time. It was always my dream as a kid to become a YouTuber. If it makes that happen, I'm gonna send you one of my play buttons if I really reach 100 mil. If we're gonna reach 10 million subs, then I'm gonna give one of my play buttons to you guys. You're about to see not phantasm. Let's begin.